Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my most loved products of the year 2017, and I just wanted to share them with you guys, so maybe you guys have purchased them and love them as well, or if you haven't purchased them, maybe you're looking for something similar, and I just wanted to share with you guys the products that I just absolutely love. So I'm just going to be sharing both high-end and drugstore makeup and a skincare item that stand out for me. And so if you guys just want to see what I love this year, please continue watching. So I'm going to start off with foundation, and my favorite foundation of the year was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. My shade is in soft beige, and it's just, this foundation to me is a good replica to the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, except this is $5.99 at CVS, Walgreens, any of those types of stores that sell Wet n Wild, and it's just amazing foundation. It lasts all day long. It doesn't make your face greasy or anything, and this foundation is just amazing. So if you're on a budget and you know you want a really good foundation, you gotta give this a go and see if you like it. It's definitely full coverage, so it's medium to full coverage. It's very buildable. So this foundation is amazing. I love it, and definitely should check it out if you like the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And along with that foundation, I discovered the Photo Focus by Wet n Wild concealer, and this concealer along with the foundation is just amazing. This is like the perfect duo. And I haven't tried the powder, but they do have a powder. I don't know how well that works, but as far as the concealer, it covers up good the dark circles, the blemishes, the red veins on your eyelids. It's amazing, and it pairs so well with the foundation. And for powder, I tested out this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and it's just, this powder is amazing. It's close to the Laura Mercier. I actually reach for this more than the Laura Mercier because I feel like the Laura Mercier makes me look a little bit white, even though it's translucent. It just makes my skin look more powdery, I don't know. And since this has a little bit of color in it, I feel like it sinks more into the skin and blends more in with the foundation. And this powder is just amazing. I love it so much, and like I said, I do reach for it more than I do the Laura Mercier, so I might not be purchasing that one anymore. I'll just be purchasing this one. Now for highlight, my favorite highlight of this year has been the Maybelline Master Chrome, and this one is in the Molten Gold. It's just a beautiful gold highlight. See it there? It's just so beautiful. It's just such a beautiful gold highlight. Because it's such a like golden shade, it fits from your darkest to your lightest skin tones, and it's just a universal highlight, and it's beautiful, and I love that it is a drugstore highlight. Now with another highlight that I fell in love with this year was the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerriero collab. And I just love these highlights. They're definitely intense. So if you're looking for something that's just like a nice sheen, don't get this. Get this only if you like want to glow and you want that really, really intense highlight. I'm not wearing this. I'm actually wearing the Molten Gold one on my skin right now. But these highlights, you can just mix and match them, and they're just so beautiful. They just glow. Like if you really want a highlight that's going to glow and not disappoint, this is the palette. Actually, this palette is sold out, but Anastasia does have other palettes similar. So if you want a palette that's going to really give you an intense glow, I definitely check out Anastasia, and hopefully they bring this back, but currently it is not in stock. So for eyeshadows, ColourPop definitely takes the cake this year. They've created these palettes like this that are like around $16, and they're just beautiful. This one is the I Think I Love You palette, and it just has all these beautiful neutral shades, some shimmeries, a gold, a black, light crease shades. So this is probably my favorite palette that they've released, but they are just affordable. The pigmentation is just outstanding, and definitely ColourPop is just been so amazing this year, and I absolutely love this palette. Another company that's had amazing palettes is Morphe, and Jaclyn Hill is another favorite of this year. And when this came out, I definitely got my hands on it because I knew it was going to sell out, and it just has beautiful pops of color. It has beautiful warmy shades, just all these beautiful blues in here. This is definitely my favorite of the year. If you do want any of these items, I would recommend this palette here, just because it has all of these pops of color, as well as like neutral shades and you know, transition shades, all those shades that you can create a natural look and a bold look. So definitely this would be my favorite item of the year. Another favorite palette of mine this year is the 3502 palette. This is a warm palette, so if you like shades that are more on the neutral side, this is not a palette that I would recommend. This is only for the girl who loves warm shades, crease shades, you know, all that good stuff. Has tons of browns, a black, a light shades, transition shades. So the colors are so pigmented. It is just a beautiful palette, and this is another favorite of mine. So also for eyeshadows, the Stila liquid metals eyeshadows, that mine's in Kitten Karma and Diamond Dust. I have both of these shades, and these are so good. Like, you can turn any basic eyeshadow look and just add a little bit of this glitter onto it and make it look like just beautiful and ready for, you know, a big event. So if you want an eyeshadow that's gonna be glittery and just not messy and not get inside your eyeballs and hurt your eyes, this is definitely the eyeshadows for you. They're just beautiful and definitely just amazing. So a mascara that I absolutely loved this year was the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. Mine is in waterproof. The reason why I use waterproof is because waterproof holds a curl more for me. If I just use a non-waterproof mascara, my lashes tend to just fall down. So yeah, the Total Tease is just amazing. It just separates my lashes so well, and it's just so good. I would definitely give this a shot if you're one of those who likes your lashes to look very wispy. Now for lippies, my favorite lippy that I've been wearing this year non-stop, and this is the only shade that I've been wearing non-stop. Like, I carry this with me everywhere. It's the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in ZUMA. It is the shade that I'm wearing now, and this shade is just universal. It's just so beautiful on the lips, and this formula is amazing because it doesn't feel dry on your lips. It just feels like your lips, but a little bit softer. And this shade, like I said, is just has been my favorite, and I've been wearing it all the time. So I'd give this a shot if you like more of a natural lip. Some other lippies that were my favorite this year were the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte lippies, and these are two shades that I have, which is Cherry Cobbler and Creme Brulee. I do have other shades of these, and these are just the two that I use mostly. But these are just, I got these for $2.99. Some places are for $4.99, but they are the Jordana lippies, and they last a long time, and they're just have such a beautiful range of neutral shades and just everyday shades, and then like your pops of color, like this red here is just so unique. It's so bright and pretty. So if you guys do want to see some inexpensive lippies, I would check these Jordana ones out. So for skincare, this Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour replenishing hydrator moisturizer has been my holy grail now, because I tried a sample of this, and as soon as I finished it, I had to go and purchase it. I got my mom using this. I got, you know, a lot of people I've recommended it to, and they love it also. And it is the new one, the 72-hour wear one, and I have combination skin. I'm oily in my T-zone, and then I have dry patches in some places also. So this works for both the oily area and the dry area. So if you guys want to try out this moisturizer, I totally would just go get a sample. And since it's been winter here, it's been so dry, and like no moisturizer ever like really relieves my skin like this one. So yeah, this is my favorite. This is my new baby, and I love it, and it's worth every penny. Okay, so I also wanted to mention these C&D Vinilux Weekly Polish. This one's a top coat, and this is just the shade that I'm wearing. These are just amazing, especially this top coat, because it will leave your nail polish on for up to 7 days, it says, without chipping or anything. And it's just a regular polish, not like the no chip ones, not that. It's just regular polish. I mean, but it lasts all week long. I've had this nail polish on for like 3 weeks already, and it's barely starting to chip. So these are definitely amazing. They're a little bit expensive for nail polish, but it's worth it because you're not constantly painting your nails. And I'm a mom, and I'm always like washing my hands, and I'm, you know, cleaning up, washing the bathroom and all that stuff, and this nail polish still like stays on put for a really long time. So I definitely wanted to mention these. So also I wanted to mention this CUCCIO, I don't know how you say this, but it's a butter, coconut, and white ginger lotion for your hands. And this has been the only thing that's kept my hands from getting all crusty and, you know, like a crusty gray area, like patches. My skin has been really soft this winter because I've been applying this lotion like non-stop. Not to mention it smells so good, but this lotion is definitely helping, and I really have enjoyed it this year. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody you know. Bye.